Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking XP19 Assess Chapter 1 HUE Assessment Crowdfunding. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can turn your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes or complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can handle all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Assess, Writing, Economics, Python, Java, C++, and many more courses. I am also handling many students' courses on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard, and many more universities, colleges, and schools. I am also handling many courses from Canada, USA, and many more countries. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step, focusing on the title of assignment: XP19 Assess Chapter 1 HOE Assessment Crowdfunding. Okay, here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Okay, now moving on question number 1. In question number 1, open assess. Okay, open assess other file and click browser. Basically, in this question, we will have to download Excel assess file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download this assess file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard easily. Okay, I am also downloaded this file from my Pearson IT Lab dashboard portal. Okay, question 1 is that open assess, click other files and click browse. Navigate to the folder location designed by your instructor. Click XP19 Assess Chapter 1 HUE Assessment Crowdfunding and click open. Click the file tab and then click save as. And save the file as XP19 Assess Chapter 1 HUE Assessment Crowdfunding last first name. Okay, basically in this question we will save this file as this name: XP19 Assess Chapter 1 HUE Assessment Crowdfunding last first A CCDB. Okay, click enable contact. First we click enable contact, then we will save this file. Okay, now moving on question number 2. In question number 2, now that you have opened the database, you examine the navigate pane, objects and views to become familiar with these fundamental assess features. In the contents of this database, key supporters are those who pledge the largest amount to any given stars campaign. You want to make sure that your key supporters table is up to date, so that each of the stars campaign has an associated key supporter. Open the key supporter table in datasheet view. In the view group on the home tab, switch to design and ensure the data tab for the tool plat field in the currency returns to database view, and use the shutter bar to hide the navigate pane. Okay, in the third row of the data, replace one with your first name and dots with your last name. Click undo and then quick access toolbar. In the navigation bar, click the right arrow with a yellow asterisk and to add a new blank record. Add the following records to key supporter table. Basically in this question, okay, we will add new records. First we open the key supporters table in datasheet view. In the view group on the home to switch the design. Okay, focus on this question. I will do this question and please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do complete assignment for you with A+ grade, and I will handle complete course for you with A+ grade. Please hire me for your complete course. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, and then we will open this key supporters table and then click on view and click on datasheet view. Okay, return the database view to shutter bar to hide. Click on view, click on design view. We will open this table in design view. Now return to datasheet view and then use the shutter bar to hide the navigation pane. Click on view and click on design view, datasheet view. Sorry, click on datasheet view. Okay, navigation pane is Hide to navigation pane. In the third row of the data, replace when with your first name and then drops with your last name. Click undo on the quick access toolbar. In the third row of the data, replace when and your first name and the joins with your last name. In the third row of, click on the third row of this data and you will replace this name. Okay, when to the favor and then last name we will change this Kane. Okay, and then click on undo. This is good now. In the navigation bar, click the red arrow with a yellow asterisk. Okay, in the data bar. Okay, here is asterisk. You can add this record. Now we will add the following record to the key spotters table. First record is that key spotters KS, key sports ID is that KS008. You can copy and then paste here, and then first name is that Mitch. Okay, and we will add here first name, and first name is that Mitch. Okay, and then last name is that again. You can copy this again, and then we will add this record in this table. You can copy this again, and then we will last name add here again. Okay, then city is that. You can copy this city and then we will paste here in city column. Okay, and then press enter. Then the state is KY. You can copy this KY. Okay, and then we will add this record in the table in the status KY. Okay, this is good now. Now we zip code is that 42001. You can copy this zip code and then we will add the zip code in the zip code column. You can add this zip code column, zip code in zip code column, and the tool by. Okay, you can add this tool pledge is here, then press enter, and the second record is that KS009. You can copy this second record. Okay, we will add this key spotters ID is here. You can copy and paste it here in key spot ID column, and then we will press enter. Okay, then we will first name is D. You can copy this and then we will enter this first name. D is here and then press enter. And last name is that Zester. You can copy this last name and then we will copy and then paste in the last name column. Okay, and then press enter. And the city is at Levis Center. You can copy the city and then we will enter this city column and then we will press enter. Okay, this record is done now. Then press enter. State is OH. You can copy the state OH. Then we will enter here OH. Then we will press enter. Zip code is at 43035. You can copy this zip code and then we will enter here zip code 43035 and then we will press enter it. Now tool plat is 1094 and you can copy this and then we will paste it in tool plat column and then we will press enter. Now in the next row this record you can copy this record and then we will press enter here and then we will press enter. Now Stan is the first name. You can copy this first name and then we will tap or paste here Stan in first name column and last name column is that up. You can copy this drop and then we will enter the record in drop and then press enter. City is this Craston. Okay, you can copy the city and then we will enter here city column. Then we press enter and the state is MI. You can copy this state and then we will add the state in state column. Okay, MI and then press enter and the zip code is 48346. You can copy the zip code and then we will enter here and then we will press enter. Okay, then 745 is total price. Okay, we will enter here total price and then we press enter. You can see I have done all record here. Okay, you can copy and then paste here. You can tap here in the I have done this key spotter ID columns and first name, last name, city, state, zip, tool price, total price. Okay, you can tap here all record. Okay, then this is good now. Now moving on next question. Please follow my video. You will done this assignment very well. Close the key spotters table. Save the changes that you have made by clicking yes if promoted. Okay, right click on this and click on save. Okay, close this. Okay, this is good now. Now moving on next question is question number 3. Okay, it is equal as important to ensure the all 5 stars campaign have been entered into your database. Okay, basically in this question, display the navigation pane if it hidden and open the maintain key spotter form. With your cursor in the key spotter ID field, use the find features to search then ensure that you are looking is the current documents and matching in any part of it. Click find next, choose close the find dialog box. Okay, with your cursor in the purchase in the punch star ID field and the following record to be punch stars table via the new button in the records group on the home tab. Punch stars ID is P015 and the categories ID is C008. Okay, name the book collection dash a micro comic. Then goals is okay, launch date 5/20/2017. Goal is 5720 and support is 172. States is successful. Flag is 6578. Close the maintain key to support form. Basically in this question you can read this, display the navigation pane if it is hidden and open the maintain key sports form. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, moving on access workbook and display navigation pane. Okay, we will display navigation pane and then open this maintain key spotters form. Now view your cursor in the key spotter ID field, use the find feature to search the drawing. Ensure that you are looking in the current documents and matching is any part of field. Click find next. Okay, with your cursor in the key spotter ID field. Okay, click on find, search for drawing. You can search this. Okay, here is find what is drawing and then ensure that you are looking in the current documents and matching the any part of field. Click find, looking in search is any part of field. Okay, select the search in any part of field and click for next. Click find next. Click on find next. Okay, simply click on this find next. Okay, Microsoft Access finished. Okay, and press OK, then close it. Close the find dialog box. Now with your cursor in the punch stars field, add the following record to the punch stars table via the new button in the record group on the home tab. Okay, we will add a new record. Purchase punch star ID is P0P015. Here is punch star ID. You can copy and paste it and then press enter and then category ID is C008. You can add here categories ID. Okay, and then name the book collection a macro comic. You can copy this and then we will enter here name the book collection a macro comic and then the launch date 5/20/2017. Here is enter launch date. Okay, and then the goal is that you can enter goal 5720 and supporters is 172. Okay, enter here supporters 172. Okay, and status is successful. Status is successful, and then flat is 6578. You can copy and then enter here in place column. You can see this is done now. Now close the maintain key supported form. Okay, we will close this form. Right click on this, save and close this. Okay, this is good now. Now moving on, next question is question number 4. You have now been asked to double check the accuracy of the key supporters table. You open the table and realize that someone who is not a key supporter of campaign has been added. And you need to delete their records. Open the key supporters table in datasheet view. Navigate to the last records via the navigation bar. Click the record selectors to highlight the entire 10th row, delete the record via delete button in the records group. Select yes after reading the warning. Close the key spotters table. Basically, in this question, open the key spotters table in datasheet view. Okay. First, we will open the key spotters table in datasheet view and then navigate to the last record via the navigate bar and then click the record. Select the highlights to the entire 10th row. Delete this record. Delete button. Okay, moving on, access file, and then we will open the key spotters table in datasheet view first and then we will delete this record. Okay, please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you. Open the key spotters table and then we will delete the 10th record, 10th row, KSO110 stand up. Okay, we will delete this record. Okay, right click on this and then simply delete it. Okay, then you are about to delete one record, press OK. Yes. Now close the key spotters table. You can close this table. Right click on this, save and close it. Okay, this is good now. Now moving on, next question is question number 5. Okay, moving on, question number 5. You can read this question number 5 first. The sales manager at Punch Starter Corporations wants quick answer to her questions about various campaigns. You use the access database to filter table to answer these questions. The sales manager asks for a list of campaigns that were successful. You will use a selection filter with the equal condition to locate these campaigns. Open the Punch status table in the datasheet view. Okay, then scroll right until the status field is visible. The third record has value of successful in the status field. Click the status field and apply a selection filter, sort and filter group on the home tab. Okay, for records equal to successful, 7 records are displayed. Remove the filter via the toggle filter button, then toggle the filter back on. Basically, in this question, first we will open the punch status table in datasheet view. Okay, first we will open the punch status table in datasheet view and then scroll right until the status field is visible. Okay, then with the third record has a value of successful in the status field, then click the status field and apply a selection filter. For records equal to successful, 7 records are displayed. Okay, I am doing this question number 5. Please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade, and please hire me for your complete course. I will handle your complete course with A+ grade. I am also handling many students courses on PS Understanding, Blackboard and many more colleges, universities and schools. I will provide you A+ grade with. Okay, open the punch status table in datasheet view. Click on punch status table and then open this datasheet view and then scroll right until the status field is visible. Scroll right, status field is visible. Okay, the record has value of successful in the status field. Click the status field and apply selection filter. Okay, the third record has a value field success in the status field. Click the status field and then selection filter. Okay, for record equal to successful, 7 records are displayed. Click on this successful third record, then click on selection, press equal successful. Okay, then click on toggle filter. 7th record are displayed, you can see here. Now 7th record are displayed. Click on toggle filter. Okay, remove the filter via toggle filter button, then toggle the filter back on. Okay, this is good. Now you can see I have done this question number 5. Moving on question number 6. In question number 6, the fourth record has the what on the name of campaign, highlights the last two letters of Clarkson. Apply a selection filter for records that contain on these record or displays. Save and close the punch status table. Basically, in this question, the fourth record has the what on in the name of campaign. Okay, highlights the last two letters of Clarkson. Then we apply a selection filter of records that contain on three record or display. Moving on, assess file. Okay, on the fourth record of the word on the name of campaign, the fourth record of the word name of the campaign. Okay, go to the selection, click on content zone, then okay, contain on the record or displayed, then save and close the punch starter table. Okay, right click on this, save and close it. You can see this total question of this assignment is 9. I have done 6 questions of this assignment. Please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quiz or complete course. Okay, I am available 24 hours. Please add me for your weekly quizzes, weekly assignment, exams and complete course. I will provide you A+ grade in your all exams, all assignments, and I can handle all online courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, access, writing, C++, Java and many more courses. I will help you in your weekly quiz, assignment, exam and complete course. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. I will help you in your futures. I will upload complete course on my YouTube channel, and if you do not able to do this course, please add me for your course help. I will handle your complete course. I am also handling many students courses on Pearson, Sandhurst, Blackboard and many more colleges, universities and schools. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Best of luck. Thank you so much to my art students.